Understanding HE, a key word for IELTS success? Imagine waking up with a dull, persistent pain in your lower back. That nagging sensation? That's an ache. Today, we're exploring the word ache, an essential term for describing discomfort that's particularly useful for IELTS candidates aiming for a band score of 8.0. Word type. Ache functions as both a noun and a verb in English, offering versatility in its usage. Meaning, as a noun, an ache refers to a continuous or prolonged pain, often dull and localized. As a verb, to ache means to suffer from a continuous pain or to feel a persistent longing or emotional pain. Word history. The term ache has ancient roots, tracing back to Old English acan, meaning to suffer pain. Its long-standing presence in the language underscores its fundamental role in expressing discomfort. Antonyms. Some antonyms for ache include comfort, relief, and ease. These words represent the absence or alleviation of pain. Synonyms. Synonyms for ache include pain, throb, hurt, and smart when referring to physical discomfort. For emotional context, synonyms like yearn, pine, and long for can be used. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use H in various contexts. After hours of studying, Sarah developed a terrible headache. The old man's joints ached whenever the weather turned cold. His heart ached with longing for his homeland. The constant ache in her tooth finally prompted her to visit the dentist. Athletes often experience muscle aches after intense training sessions. Common errors in use. Be cautious not to confuse ache with similar sounding words. H is often mistakenly replaced with ake, which is not a word in English. Additionally, while ache typically describes a continuous pain, it shouldn't be used for sudden, sharp pains, where words like twinge or pang would be more appropriate. Understanding and correctly using the word ache can significantly enhance your ability to describe physical sensations and emotional states precisely. This nuanced vocabulary is crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS, particularly in the writing and speaking sections. Remember, ache isn't just about physical pain. It can also eloquently express deep emotional yearning, adding depth to your language use.